Want to truly understand what your website visitors are doing? Let's dive into Google Tag Manager and learn how to set up powerful custom events to track those crucial user actions in a simple, step-by-step tutorial. First, get your Google Tag Manager GTM account open and create a container for your website. If you haven't already, we'll be focusing on three key areas: tags, triggers, and occasionally, variables. Think of tags as what you send to collect data, triggers as when you want to collect that data, and variables as the details about the data. Let's say we want to track all clicks on a specific button, like download now. Navigate to the tags section by clicking on it to add a new tag. Click the new button. Now, configure your tag. Select a tag type for nearly any kind of action. You can use a custom HTML tag or a Google Analytics GA for event tag depending on your choice. Different settings will appear. For example, settings for an event tag will ask for an event name. Name your tag so you'll know it. Download button. Click. Make sure you select a tag configuration depending on what data you want to capture. Next, click on triggering. This is where the magic happens here. You define when the tag should fire, meaning when to send the data. Click the plus sign to create a new trigger. Choose a trigger type that matches the user's action. In our case, it would be all elements or just links trigger type. Now configure the trigger based on button parameters for all elements. You might set the trigger to fire on specific CSS or ID of the button. You can find these details by right-clicking on the button and inspecting it, or for a just links trigger type, you would set it to some link clicks and define the click URL or link text. Name your trigger. Download button. Click. Save your tag and your trigger. Preview and test your changes to ensure the tag fires correctly when your desired action is performed. Once confirmed, submit and publish the container to activate your new event tracking. You can then view the data in Google Analytics, and there you have it. You've just created your very own custom event.